Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a magical triple layered facial ice cube recipe that will remove dark spots, fade scars, help reduce the inflammation, and also shrink large pores. When I first made this recipe, I was surprised to find the beautiful 3 layers, and I thought I had done something wrong. And carefully, I tried it the second time too. The ice cubes naturally forms 3 beautiful layers with this recipe. The first top white layer is the potato juice, the second yellow layer is the turmeric powder, and the bottom layer is the transparent lemon juice and water layer. This is a wonderful recipe, so please do give it a try. The first ingredient we need for the ice cubes is potato. Potato has wonderful natural skin lightening and skin brightening properties, so it helps fade dark spots and blemishes well. I actually created this recipe to freeze potato juice as I was tired of making it each time. This way, potato juice will not discolor and will last well for a few weeks. The second ingredient we need is lemon. Lemon is a wonderful skin lightener, but it can be very harsh on the skin if used alone. So always mix it with other ingredients like this and then use. The third ingredient we need is turmeric powder. Turmeric treats and prevents all skin problems. It also fades scars and blemishes really well. We get 2 types of turmeric in the markets. One is kasturi turmeric, which is a fragrant variety of turmeric, and the second is regular turmeric, which we generally use for cooking. We can use any one variety for this recipe. To make the potato juice, first take potatoes, wash well and peel the outer skin. For making 1/4 cup of potato juice, we need 2 large potatoes. Now cut the potatoes into large pieces and take it in a mixer and grind without adding any water. Now take the ground mixture in a strainer and press with a spoon to extract the juice completely. To make the ice cubes, take 1 cup of the prepared juice in a cup. For a smaller batch, add 1/4 cup of the juice. Now add in the juice of half a lemon. For a smaller batch, add in just a squeeze of lemon. You can increase or decrease the amount of lemon juice according to your preference. Finally, add in a teaspoon of turmeric powder. For the smaller batch, add in 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix well with a spoon to get a smooth mixture. Now this mixture is ready to freeze. To freeze, take the prepared mixture and pour into ice cube trays. Before pouring, make sure to mix the mixture well. Once the mixture is poured, freeze overnight. The next day, remove the ice cubes from the ice cube tray and place them in a Ziploc bag and freeze again. These ice cubes will last well in the freezer for a few weeks. To use, take an ice cube and wrap it in a thin muslin cloth and massage it all over the face and neck. If you're prone to headaches or sinus infection, you can try using a thicker cloth and lessen the amount of time you're using these ice cubes. If you're suffering from acne, placing these ice cubes over them will help reduce the inflammation fast. If you're suffering from dark spots, using these ice cubes will help fade them fast. If you're suffering from large pores, using these ice cubes followed by a clay face pack will help shrink large pores very effectively. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.